See how long this dog can hang on.
Let
go of him, Michaela.
Are you stupid?
See how long he can hang on. Come on. Oh, he fell off. Let's try again.
Get it better now.
I'm gonna count this time.
Come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 10 seconds. Okay, come on. Come on.
Dude, it's pretty
1, 2. Oh. Here, no, let me see. Let me see how long I can hold him up for.
I'll do it. Hold on.
Okay, I go.
I'll do
Okay.
this.
No, give me the camera.
Hey, I got him. Okay. Ready for this, Diener? Ready?
1, 2,
Look at this.
3, 4.
20-pound dog. Lockjaw.
Come on.
Freaking beautiful.
Got it? Ready?
Little tank.
Come on.
Cody, want
Dude.
me to show you a different trick after this?
No.
Yeah, the one that's the skating one across the floor.
Ring around a Rosie.
Okay, wait. Wait. Okay, you have to be like right in my face. I want you to see his face while I'm doing. No, like his face while I'm doing. Okay? You gotta go with me, okay?
Mhm.
Yeah, go faster. Okay.
Cody, let me show you a different trick.
Here, hold the camera. Hold the camera. Here, give me.
Do the skating one.
Oh, time for a walk.
No, no. You stupid? No. Let go. Let go.
Time for a walk.
Skating.
How long can my dog hang on? Are you okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Man, that dog's tough.
Is it over?
Yeah, no, it's still going.
Keep going.
He's skating, he's skating. Oh!